If your garage door opener chain or belt is busted, fixing it yourself can save you a ton of headache and cash. So, first off, you gotta make sure you unplug the opener to avoid any shocks or accidents, Then check if the chain or belt is actually broken or just loose, because sometimes it's just a simple adjustment. If it's broken, get the exact replacement part from the manufacturer or a trusted hardware store. That way you avoid buying junk that won't last. Next, grab a wrench and loosen the tensioner so you can slip off the old chain or belt easily. When putting on the new one, make sure it's aligned straight on the sprockets or pulleys so it doesn't wear out fast or make weird noises. Tighten the tensioner just enough so the chain or belt isn't sagging, but also not super tight, like Goldilocks. Not too loose, not too tight. After that, plug it back in and test it by opening and closing the door a few times to make sure everything runs smooth and no slipping happens. If you notice any grinding sounds or the door doesn't move right, double check your tension and alignment. Those little things make all the difference. One of the biggest mistakes folks make when replacing their garage door opener chain or belt is not turning off the power first, which can lead to nasty shocks or injuries. Always unplug before starting. Another common issue is using the wrong size or type of chain or belt. It might seem like no big deal, but that can cause your opener to jam or break faster, so always match what your model needs. Lastly, over-tightening the chain or belt is a classic blunder. It puts too much strain on the motor and parts, leading to early failure. Loosening it up just right is key for a smooth ride. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with reliable local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to garage door repairs and other home projects. For contractors, it's a solid way to find steady work and grow their business by reaching people who actually need their skills.